Because no one asking questions. Hi, Bar. Okay, hi. Asur 2 कब आ रहा है? Asur 2 in all probability should be out in the second quarter of next year. Hopefully. People keep sending me requests. क्या है ये? Should I accept this? Where is Sifat? Sifat is in the living room right now, yaar. Also, 2 is going to be out in the second half of the second quarter of next year. I'm good. Ishtiaq, Sanya. Yeah, Sanya Ishtiaq. Hi, Vanessa. आपका next project क्या है? Oh, when I asked this 299 times before 2. What did you ask? इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूँ? वापस शुरू करो. अब यार कैसे करें? Daughter is good. Next project after Asur is there's this stuff where 7:30 लाइव में इसलिए नहीं आया है because I'd not reached back home and yeah I was supposed to be done shooting by 7 but that didn't happen. So yeah, that's why 7:30. Hi shoes. Turkish में I don't know Turkish. Sorry. कैसे भी करो, क्या करो? So you want to see me on a screen soon? You can see me on your phone screen right now. Do you have to go back? Plans to go back to TV? If yes, what kind of story you want to give it? You want to give it a try? I don't know actually if I want to. The thing is that if you do television, there's only one thing you can do. That's television because the telecast has to happen every day. So that is a little difficult. Thank you, Chakrabarti. बेदत्ता. असुर का सीक्रेट रिवील कर दूं मैं? ओ भाई, सीक्रेट रिवील कर दूंगा तो पॉइंट ही क्या यार? Where is your wife? She's beautiful. Yeah, she's pretty beautiful. Yeah, she's working right now. गुजराती में बोलो. केम छो? ढोकला. उससे फेस टू फेस बात करनी है. कब करनी है यार बताओ? मैं कैसे बताऊं मतलब? थैंक्स यार शेनूर. ओह हाय रुखसार. हाय. बहुत तेज तेज चल रहा है ये. You're looking. Oh, okay. Hi, this is Rinku. In case there was no tick, I wouldn't have realized. Oh, यार where's सबको सिफत के बारे में पता करना है. No one wants to know about me. Hi Sam. No, I can't. I don't want to sing Saria Bibi. I hate that song. I don't know why everyone keeps asking. But I hate that for your information. Is Asur 2 going to be as mystical as the previous one? Hopefully. Let's see. In all probability. Yeah, we're trying really hard to make it as mystical and good. Oh, I love you too, damn it. Okay. Yeah, I don't get it. Oh. Hi, Neela. Sifat is good. Hello, Isha. This is cool. Oh, thanks, yeah. Love from Hyderabad. What do you think about the third wave? Oh, what I think about the third wave is actually that the higher percentage of the population is going to be vaccinated by the time they're suggesting the third wave will come. So, who knows? Let's just try to be safe. Hi Heather. Okay, that was my name in Tanhaiya. Oh, hi. You're the Indian cinephilic. Okay, I too am a cinephile, I feel. It's a little weird to be talking to myself. Have you ever been to Canada? No, I've actually never been to Canada. One of my very good friends actually lives there now. So sometime soon I'll have to visit. Stay safe, yeah. Zara, okay, I just said your name, Zara Malik. Sorry, don't please scold me. You look good in red cap. Thanks, yaar. इसलिए पहनी थी actually. Oh, thanks, Hira Waka. Yaar, these are not staying. Can we expect you and Sanaya on a show soon? Never know, yeah. Anything can happen. Which place would I like to visit right now? There's so many places I want to travel, yeah. Right now, but obviously the restrictions and everything. Will I ever come to Nepal? I hope, yeah. And yeah, Sakshi, hi. Salute. And what else was written? I forgot. Sehrish. पर ऐसा क्यों वो ये क्या किक मिल रही है सबको भाई नाम बुलवाने से अपना वन वर्ड फॉर अक्षय डोगरा ओह फ्रेंड यार एज गुड एज फैमिली और डिफरेंट oh it's very different actually this time because we're shooting after a long gap actually the first day that I went in on the set of Asur I was actually really nervous and I remember my director was trying to get me to do a simple thing but I was not able to so like everyone else does I was also very nervous I can Yashrif say your name Vanakkam ciao I can say your name but what is your name Eco the Princess is your name very strange that actually is a set of 3 paintings that's not a painting actually these are 3 pictures and we got these from a small village in UK and I also like them a lot next project अभी तो यही चल रहा है यार you're Egyptian I'm Indian What an introduction. Hi Sai. What's my favorite food? I like a lot of things. Yeah. People are actually really surprised that I eat a lot, but I eat a lot. So I pretty much like everything. If I go to Big Boss, I'll win. Are you out of your mind? They'll throw me out on one day, and there will be there's no chance of me winning. What Pashmeen is doing right now is she's either working or taking care of Sifat. Came cho मजा मा butter chicken हाँ सही ने कर लिया गैस भाई but a lot of other things also no I don't like jalebis actually I'm not very fond of sweet stuff to eat hey शिल्पा भी है ना ये क्या हो रहा है 21st birthday है हैप्पी बर्थडे शिवू यार 21 इज अ बिग डील यार मतलब बस अब तुम्हारे युद्ध के दिन जाने वाले हैं नहीं आने वाले हैं सॉरी हैव अ नाइस वन if that I have that right what Sifar do when she see her father on TV nothing she just पहचान लेती है मैं इसी में खुश हो जाता हूँ How about Asur project what? Interested to do खतरों के खिलाड़ी I don't know तो कितने टाइम बाद तो मैंने I can say your name, but your name is very complicated. Nushaumate. Oh, it's very sweet. Yeah, thank you. ओह बहुत ज़्यादा जोर की हो रहा है एक सेकेंड What is on your bucket list for now? Do you mean travel? Travel, I think a bucket list There's not a lot of countries actually that we've not visited, but I really want to see the smaller countries that are not very popular and stuff. There's a beautiful country called Niue, south of New Zealand. It's a very small island. I would like to, sometime visit that soon. Are you fond of coming live? This is the first time I'm doing it, and this is not bad actually. I don't mind this. It's okay. I just don't understand that people keep saying, yeah, I've taken the vaccinations, both of them. Yeah. You make so upset sometimes, matlab? Do you like Turkey or like Turkey? I think it's a typo. Yeah, I like Turkey. It's a very nice place. One joke, please. ऐसे कैसे यार तुम you putting me in a spot. So we want to see you in big screen. बनाओ यार पिक्चर कुछ फिर अगर ऐसी बात है तो. Okay, Fatma Noor. Oh, Sakshi, big fan. Oh, very smart. What? यार ऐसे ना मैं कुछ बता नहीं पाऊंगा. So I'll take the next question and answer that in detail. हाँ, Sakshi, very funny. Yeah. So Sakshi, my friend, is writing, hi Barun, because she knows I have a big problem when people call me Barun. हेलो बेटे, हेलो, हाय वरुण भैया बोल रहे हो आप? ओह, तो मैं कर, should I do it? हाय फ्रेंड, कोई अक्षय, someone was asking me, say अक्षय, मतलब define अक्षय in one word. मैंने बोल दिया फ्रेंड, फैमिली, दो बोल दिया मैंने. I love you too, yeah guys. हाँ, I saw अक्षय आ गया भाई, बड़े खुश हुए लोग भाई तुम्हें देख के. पंकज, I love you, हैं? पंकज कौन है? हो फ्रॉम टूनिशिया, हो होता है वहां पे. ओ हो. सेंड रिक्वेस्ट टू अक्षय फॉर व्हाट? ओ, आई कैन डू दैट. टेक माई नेम. यार ये तो थोड़ा अजीब. प्लान्स साक्षी, ये तो मिलके डिसाइड होगा. एक्चुअली बाय द वे, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ थिंग विद माई फ्रेंड्स. मेरा बर्थडे है, मेरे को बाद में पता चलता है कि प्लान बन रहा है सब कुछ. तू पॉटी कर रहा है? ओह अच्छा. हाउ वाज द स्कार अंडर योर आईब्रो फॉर्म्ड? ओह, दिस वन यू मीन, दिस वन. ओके, सो आई वाज एक्चुअली so I had gotten some good number of stitches. I don't remember how many. So that's how the scar. Do you think coming to Turkey? Yeah, I think the lockdown is screwed up the whole world. But yeah, I do want to come to Turkey and Bangladesh. Please lose some weight. यार ये बात कर दी तुम लोगों ने आज, हैं? ये बात हो गई है. But I agree with you. I need to lose some weight. Yeah. अच्छा, listening the name is only okay. All right, Ishita. Update on your own script. Oh, there's no update right now. It's sitting right now. I need to start working on it again. I have not finished the screenplay yet. But it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while. I need some time. How long are Akshay and me friends for? We've been friends for a while now. 11? It's been a decade, Akshay. Can speak Bengali very little, yaar. I can like ki katha bolchi. Oh, what are you gonna eat next? I have no idea. I was at work and I just got back, and I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I am gonna be beaten around by my daughter for sure when इन लव यू अदिति बोल दिया एनी असर टू अपडेट्स हाँ यार शूट चल रहा है वी फिनिश्ड क्वाइट अ बिट ऑफ इट आई थिंक वी शुड बी एबल टू रैप इट अप बाय November I'm guessing and it should be out by some second quarter of the next year. Thank you Ian. Do you know you have a huge fan following in BD? BD मतलब क्या? Bangladesh. I don't actually. I don't know. Hi. पता नहीं किसको बोला. कोलकाता आना चाहोगे? मैं बहुत आया हूँ कोलकाता. I stayed a lot in Kolkata. How is my cute angel Sifat? She's pretty angry right now. So I don't know. It as it comes. अरे यार अक्षय नाराज क्यों होता है यार तू अपना finish your business on the pot and then we'll talk. What's your favorite show on Netflix right now? Oh damn. There is this terrific documentary called The Last Nazis on Netflix, which I've watched very recently and I really liked it. What is your favorite Delhi street food? I really like kachori these days. Funny. Okay. I'll try my best trying to do this. I'm funny. Okay. Thanks, यार. Very nice. Very kind of you. करीम अल्जीरिया क्या है? What's करीम अल्जीरिया? वाराणसी कब आओगे आप? It's not business. Okay, it's a relationship. Of course, yeah. Now Varanasi actually will be shooting for Asur in Banaras for a couple of days. So very soon. हाय दीपाली माई फेवरेट बुक ऐसा थोड़ी होता है फेवरेट बुक्स और फेवरेट मूवीज थोड़ी होती हैं लाइफ में इतनी सारी फेवरेट चीज़ें होती हैं बट आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड रीडिंग दिस बुक दिस वन द खालिस्तान कॉन्स्पिरेसी एंड आई रियली लाइक इट यू आर So I read this quote once actually that every human being that you meet in life is going through a struggle that you have no fucking idea about ever. So be kind. Yeah. Oh, he's also a nice guy. He's a very nice guy. And on that note, I'm going to try to turn the live off now because I don't know how to do it. And I will do this again soon. Sure. Remove my cap. That's why I didn't want to remove it. Alright. See you guys. Bye.